what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool Tom Petty. Don't do me like that. From Damn the Torpedoes. Don't do me like that. Cool. Alright, so let's go with the chords. Let's go. We're in standard tuning. G major, F major. Maybe you want to play F like this. I like to play F like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So B, G, A string. Then we got a C major. 1, 2, 3, and D. That's all we do. Tune and tune. Downstrokes. F, C, the D. G, F, C, D. Chorus. G, start strumming. F, E minor here instead of C. 1, 2. C, D. Versus chorus. We get a bridge which goes, sounds like a G7. I'm pretty sure it is a G7. So first finger on the high E string, first fret, and then the rest is like a regular G. C7. 1, 2, 3. Add pinky on G, 3rd fret. Times, and last time after the C7 they go to C minor. So that's the only hard part in this song if you're a beginner. Get a bar, 3rd fret from the A string, 5, 5, 4, and end on D. Let's do that again. Tom Petty on the Heartbreakers. 3 parts, verses, G, F, C, D with downstrokes. Ba, ba, da, da. And then chorus. We start strumming. G, F, E minor, C, D. And then bridge. G7 to C7, G7 to C7, G7 to C7, C minor and D. Swede like that. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Wherever you are, be safe. Thank you.